Yo guys, I'm just gonna show you one of the life hack that I have using Notion. Notion is actually really good, especially as a busy business owner. If you organize your things in there properly, you're gonna be saving yourself a ton of time and enjoy your work. But what we have here, this is basically like my everything about 99 to AI. So the life is literally built in here. Everything, like templates wise, literally everything, like everything. And I'm adding even more, so it's connected to cloud. Whenever I want to add more things, I just go into cloud and then tell cloud this is the new idea or the new plan I want you to add into our command center in Notion. So this is where I'll give access to all my team. But the beautiful thing is this: whenever we have access to here, we don't even have to go into the Notion thing there anymore. So for example, if you go here, this is how it look. We have everything in here like this. All these there are things built inside all of these things here. But to save ourselves time, since Notion have an AI agent, which is this here, whenever I want to do work, I just come in here. So I start a conversation with this now. So this is the next plan that is being given me, obviously. But now what I want to do is there. So I'll just show you guys how the things is here. So now it's saying this is my next plan here. So I might just say, can you please bring me my content idea for this week for YouTube? Bro, this is literally life-saving. So now even I don't have to go through the whole command center. I just need to come here, talk with this, and it's gonna bring everything with me. And this can even guide me even more into the direction, because it can tell me how I can go about it and so on. So this is the why I left everything to build an AI automation agency in 2026, because that's literally my content idea. And then I had no client, no profitable work, no safety net. Here is why I did it anyways. Literally the hook. And the format talking here, scream, recording needed, structure. The moment you decide to go all in, I have that idea literally for you guys, so you guys can know exactly why is it, why I have to do that. 199 to actually those in plain English. 99 to AI. We just have a proven system that we can help you follow, so you can get more qualified leads, book appointment 24/7 without any human in lead. You only get notified when the leads are ready for you to jump on a call. And guess what, man? These are not just every like one trying to DM you. We make sure you only have high potential clients or leads that are actually willing to come buy into your services, because our AI system and agent will qualify these leads for you, book that meeting on your behalf, follow up with these people until they show up on their appointment without you lifting a little finger. That's literally it. I ain't lifting a finger. All I gotta do every single morning, just come in here, talk to my agent, bring what I need to do, and go from there. So that's literally it. And then obviously that's the next content plan, and I can literally just, okay, what is my, it's gonna bring, because I built everything in there. So that is just it, man. So Notion have this powerful tool here. The agent mode is really interesting now. It's really interesting. This is everything that I have for 99 to AI, bro. This is the ideal client target and so on. What is our outreach? I'm just sharing you like some crazy things here now, but yeah, I think this is very powerful. Even as a business owner, it helps you organize. Like you just pick up your things that you need to do every single morning without going through a whole bunch of things. Just come here, talk to this, it will advise you, guide you, and so on. So yeah, I just thought I put this out here. This is Notion. This is helping me so much. Everything is being built here for 99 to AI. That is where we live in. That's literally where we live in, man. That is everything for 99 to AI. Our team plan here, team is here, the system we're using and everything. So yeah, I just thought I put this out here. We have our CRM built in here, but no one has to go through this messy anymore. We just need to come here, talk to this agent. It's gonna look into there, bring the information we need, and tell you how you need to go about it. Well, so okay, we have hope with the client pipeline, guys. For yeah, this is me just continue my work. I just have to talk to my agent. It's gonna bring the things out for me, and then we can go from there. But with that being said, we're locked in. 2 to 4 p.m. block. We're just about to lock in, man.